I think it's gone down extremely well, actually. I don't think necessarily it was a huge surprise to lots of people, but it was a surprise they wanted.
The reaction has been really, really good. It's obviously something that people have been saying, 6 years ago I've been wanting this, and it is great to see it now. So it's been, actually a really lovely morning, being able to give some wonderful comments and be able to talk through the design and chat about how different it is to our current one. That's been wonderful. Yeah.
It's been well overdue, and I'm looking forward to it. Can't wait for it to come out.
Yeah, it absolutely needed to be done, and nobody else seemed like they were prepared to do it, so great job by the people here at Airfix, really.
It was pretty well anticipated and long overdue, so yeah, I'm really pleased. Yeah.
Yeah, it's been overwhelmingly positive. It's been really exciting to be here and to talk about this thing that we've been working on for a year now, and actually come to a point of getting feedback and hearing hearing a lot of positive news and people excited. They're just a long wait until it's out to see everything.
There's still a little bit of work to do. I mean, it's coming together really well. We've still got some things to just tidy up on it, and these things always seem to take a little longer than we hope.
Yeah, it's kind of fun releasing it at this stage, as we can now be revealing bits throughout the year on how the process is going along. And so the next stage for us is starting to get the moulds cut and then getting the first set of test shots, but that won't be for a few months still.